Hey guys, I'm showing you this garage tool organizer wall mount. So it's a sturdy storage rack with the adjustable hooks, stud spacing with a 300 lbs capacity. So you can see you can also put your garden tools organizer or anything this have. So these are the hooks, these are the screws, the accessory that comes with it. So you can see it here, the hooks quality. So it's a high quality hooks that I can see is feeling really like weight. These are the studs and the screws that goes into the studs or in your garage. So these are the back plates. So this is a dual layer hooks, and they also like this plate. So three plates, and this is the manual that shows how you need to fix it. So screws and everything is all provided, and all these hardwares are included, so it's good. So like stud screws, drywall screws, and the self drilling anchors. So these are three such back plates. These back plates which goes with these drywall screws and stud screws, and these hooks will just clip on it. So you can see once it clips, it's not moving anywhere, and these are easy to snap, easy adjustable hooks that you can adjust anywhere on the top. So there are total like 6 hooks that comes with it, and the 3 plates and the back plates that comes with it. And you can also put in these plates separately, or you can put these anywhere. So these hooks you can put easily on top of it like a snap design, and you can just slip it off. So once this is done, and you can use the 3 clips, 2 clips, or you can use it anywhere. You can also put all these garden tools or any big drills, the stuff on it, as the capacity is 300 lbs. This is how it looks on the wall. Really nice garage organizer or the tool organizer.